Just simply come onto this website, pick out any style that you like, follow me along in this method, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start to earn thousands of dollars in passive income every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $1,562 per week from YouTube without actually making any videos. Guys, this is a completely beginner friendly method and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. But guys, make sure to watch this video from the start till the very end because this video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So make sure that you do not skip anything, and without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. Step number 1. Now guys, in step number 1, I want you to come on to youtube.com. Now guys, once you come on to youtube.com, as you all know, YouTube is basically a content sharing website. Now when you come on to YouTube, from over here, simply type in the search bar funny cat videos. Now the reason I'm doing this is very simple. These type of videos get a lot of views and all of these videos are copyright free, meaning that you can upload these videos on your own channel and you won't get any strikes, but you will get tons and tons of views. Because over here we can see that some of these top videos have 30 million views, some have 47 million views, some have 31 million views, and also some have 19, 58, 10, 31, 3.1 and 15 million views as well. So all in all, like, they basically have a lot of variety over here. Now what I want you to do is that, depending upon your own personal preference, if you want to choose a specific video, just simply watch a video, and if you actually find it funny, simply pick that video. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose this one because I have watched this video and this honestly seems to be very funny. Now I'm gonna let this load for a second, and this might take a second to load up. Now once this loads up, I'm simply gonna lower the volume, and now what I want you to do is that simply take a look at the like-dislike ratio. This gonna tell you if the video is actually funny or not without you even watching that video. Let's take a look at the comments, and if they're all good, well then you have a nice video on your hands. So like, we have a short clip over here, so like this actually is funny. Yeah, so now what I want you to do is that simply copy the link of this video from simply clicking on the share button. Now when you click on the share button, simply copy the link from this particular place of the video. Click on copy, and that is it. You are done with step number 1. Now we're gonna move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come on to yt1s.com. Now guys, yt1s.com is basically a YouTube HD video downloader that you can use for yourself and download videos for absolutely free from YouTube in the highest quality possible. Now over here, simply paste the YouTube videos link that you copied, click on convert, and now from over here, click on this button and simply choose your desired quality. I'm simply going to leave it at MP4 because this usually is the best quality. Click on get link, and then after a few seconds, click on download. Now once you do this, you will see the download starting in your Chrome browser at the bottom left corner over here. Yeah, so like over here we can see that it has started. Now just let it download for a couple of seconds, and once that's done, then you can move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to canva.com. Now guys, canva.com is basically a website through which you can design yourself a lot of different things like logos, Instagram posts, posters, infographics, resumes, video logos, and thumbnails as well. And that is exactly what we're gonna be doing. We are gonna be designing thumbnails from this website. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply type in over here thumbnail, and once you type in thumbnail, after that wait for a couple of seconds and then simply let this load up a cool thumbnail for your request. Now over here you can see we have tons and tons of templates, literally thousands of templates at our disposal for absolutely free, and we can choose any one of these thumbnails for our videos and make money from that. Okay, so from over here, scroll down, and then from over here, simply choose one of these thumbnails depending upon what type of video you want to make. Now, considering that our video was about cats, I'm gonna choose something related to nature or like with some cool graphics in it. Now, me personally, I'm more of an indoor type of guy, so I'm gonna choose something like this. I think that this looks really nice, or maybe something else like this. Maybe like put a cat picture over here and change change this text to like funny cat videos. You know, like you can do endless customization. It all depends upon your creativity. Now, I'm gonna choose this one. This one seems pretty straightforward, and this is also free. I'm gonna click on this one, and then you will see a canvas loading up. As the name suggests, canva.com also has a canvas. Now, from over here, you simply let this load up, and then you will have a lot of options at your disposal to make sure your thumbnail is unique. Now, once you have this loaded up, over here you can see that you can modify this text, you can move this picture, you can basically do whatever you want with this text. I'm simply going to change it to funny cat videos, and then from over here I'm going to click on elements from the left side. Now from over here I'm going to type in cat. Now once I type in cat, I'm going to let this load for a second like always, and then once this loads up, I have a lot of cats available. I'm gonna choose one of these cats, this one. I'm gonna choose this cat, and I'm gonna like drop it over here. Now once this is dropped, it's gonna take a second to load up as well, because this website has a lot of traffic and like they're always under heavy load. So we are simply gonna let them load, and now we have ourselves a very nice looking thumbnail. Now my friends, you can simply click on download from the top right corner, and then from over here choose PNG as the download format and click on download. Now you will see the thumbnail downloading as well, and now we can move on to the next step. Step number 4. So in step number 4, simply come back to youtube.com. From over here, click on the top right corner and then click on upload video. Now once you do this, your upload page is gonna come up. They might even ask you to like create a channel name. Well, then simply put a channel name. If they ask you, if they don't, well, it's fine either way. So from over here, once this loads up, simply click on select files and then select the file that you just downloaded. After that, you simply rename it to the video that you copied this from, and like type in funny cat videos, and then simply put in a description by simply copying the exact description of the video. So like simply go back to this video and copy the exact description so that your video is also SEO optimized. Now I'm gonna copy the title as well because this actually looks really nice. So I'm gonna like simply do that, and then also copy the description as well. And now once you copy the description, simply make sure to like make appropriate changes, like remove these links because these are not your channels. So like make sure to leave the music credits in there because you don't want to have the copyright strike. After that, simply do remove these things, and also this one too. So all in all, now you have a very nice looking description. Now what I want you to do is that simply type in order your cat merch from this link. Now once you do this, simply put in your merch link over here, which I'm going to show you right now how you can get one. From over here, simply upload a thumbnail for yourself as well. So simply click on change and then click on your thumbnail. Now you have a thumbnail uploaded too. Now move on to step number 5. Step number 5. So in step number 5, I want you to come on to teespring.com. Now guys, once you come on to teespring.com, this is basically a print on demand service. What you can do is that you can simply like create a print on demand service for any single product that you have. You can literally print cat pictures on face masks, on shirts, on pants, on hoodies, on jackets, on literally anything, cups, bags, phone covers, caps, anything, you name it. Now simply click on start designing, and they might ask you to log in first. Now if they do, well then simply log in. If they don't, well then simply continue. Now their login page is loading up. So once this loads up, now you have at your disposal a lot of different ways through which you can get yourself very own print on demand services. Now you will see this dashboard once you log in either with Google, Facebook, or with your brand new email. It is very simple, so I'm not going to waste your time with that. But once you are logged in, you will see this in front of you. From over here, simply type in mask. Now once you type in mask, simply click on cloth face mask and click on start designing. Now come on to another website called pixabay.com or pexels.com, depending upon your own personal preference. I'm gonna go to pexels.com, and then after that click on hit enter, and then from over here type in cat. So basically Pexels is a website that is gonna provide you with copyright free images and videos for your projects, meaning that you won't run into any problems whatsoever. Simply pick the cutest cat that you can find. I like this cat over here because this has a crown over her head, so she's a queen, I think. So simply download this and then come back over here, and now from over here simply modify this. Click on add image and choose the cat image that you just downloaded. Now over here you can see that you will have this in your mask. Now wait for a few seconds to load up, and then once this loads up, this is gonna be all set. So click on preview from the bottom, and then you will be able to see your mask in action and how crazy your mask is gonna look like. Oh my god, this looks really nice. Now from the left side, what you can do is that simply like estimate your profit margin and everything else. Now once you do that, simply click on continue, and then you can simply sell it to anybody anywhere in the world. So guys, that is how you can do your very own print on demand. And then over here, simply put in a Google Forms link where you are gonna like put in your order and also like take orders from your customers. You simply ask them what they need and they will deposit that money over here on this website. Once you create on continue, you will have your very own catalog that you can like finally share with other people, and yeah, like make money from this. So like simply grab your store link from over here. It's gonna be somewhere over here. Simply like click on this, and then after that simply copy the product link and then paste that over here, and people will be able to order once they click on that link and go to that link and simply order that mask. So like you will get millions of people on these videos, and then after that you will also get a lot of sales from your merch, meaning 2 sources of income right away. So guys, this was the video, and like this was the method, this was the complete method. And guys, still if you have any questions, you guys can simply ask me in the comments down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna be catching you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.